Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the third video of our onboarding series. I am Abhigyan Raj, a product marketer at Forescribe, and in this video, I'll walk you through 8 essential steps that will help you to get the most out of Forescribe. So, without any further delays, let's dive right in. So, the first step is to create Forescribe Workspace. So a Forescribe Workspace is basically a digital office for your team. You might need multiple workspaces for for different teams or maybe different regions. So we have already created the workspace in the first episode. Now is the time that if you really want to edit your workspace name, you can do it just by changing the name here and clicking on update. So the second step is to take a 100-second video too. This quick and informative video will give you a comprehensive overview of Forescribe's features and functionality. This video will help you to be acquainted with the platform. So the third step is to invite someone to collab. As we all know and as we all say that collaboration is the key. So now is the time to invite your colleagues or your team members to join your Postlight workspace. To invite your colleagues or your team members to join your Postlight workspace, all you have to do is click on the invite button. Now you have to enter their work email. You can invite them either as an admin or as a viewer. So an admin have more power when compared to a viewer. So fourth step is to review your preferences. So to fine tune your experience, you can customize all your preferences. This section is auto filled, uh, uh, and if you need, you can change any preferences according to your choice, and you can just click on update, and it will get updated and reflected in your Postlight workspace. The fifth step is to connect your Google Workspace. We highly recommend this step to be done because as soon as you connect your Google Workspace, it helps us to discover, to track, and to manage all the apps that are being used by your business, and at the same time to discover the shadow IT ones. So the sixth step is to connect your accounting app. So either you use Zero or you use QuickBooks, we have got you covered. And even if you don't use any of the mentioned apps, you can just upload your transaction CSV. So this will help us to streamline and manage all your finances efficiently. Now the seventh step is to say hi to the support. We at Foresight are available around the clock to help you with any issue or any query that you have. So the eighth and the final step is we highly recommend you that if you are on a Spark plan to upgrade to either a pro or an enterprise plan. Upgrading to either a pro or the enterprise plan helps you to unleash the full potential of Forescribe. To know more about our plans, you can just visit forescribe.ai, or if you need a tailored or a custom plan, you can just drop us a message at hey@forescribe.ai, and our team will chart a customized plan for you. That's it for this video. By following these 8 steps, we promise you that you will get the most out of Forescribe. We are Forescribe and we help you master your digital landscape. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.